Good morning, friends. For today, tomorrow, and Friday, you guys are going to be making up any work that you've been missing all year. So today, I've given you two quizzes, the one on the 17th and the one on the 2nd. You're going to open up this document. You're going to click here if you see your name. So if I'm Julianne, I'm going to make sure that I click here and do my quiz. Miss McIntyre is going to be checking these quizzes to make sure that you guys have done it. So if your name is on this list, that means that you are missing your quiz. Same with this one. So if your name is on this list, you guys are going to be you're missing this quiz, and you need to make sure that you click this button and you do the quiz. You guys have two quizzes today to make up. So if your name is on either of these lists, make sure that you click it and you do it. Tomorrow, we're going to have another makeup day, and then Friday is going to be a little bit different. This is your last chance to get your grades in before Miss McIntyre goes and puts them all on your report card for your parents to see. So take your time and do a good job. If your name is not on this list, you can still take the quiz if you remember, like, hey, that quiz was pretty tricky and I want to try again to make sure I get a better grade. Or you can just do extra Gigi time and complete a bunch of puzzles. Have fun!